In this video, we are gonna tell you 3 epic flight hacks that you must know, and it would really help you when you fly next time, so watch till the end and don't skip if you want to get something from it. So let's get started from number 1. If you have planned a flight but haven't booked online and go to the airport directly for a ticket, it's very easy to do on domestic flights. So before getting a ticket, see if a private jet is boarding or parked at the airport's apron. If there is, so ask the relevant airport staff if the jet is empty and if it's returning back. There are chances if you can hop on board on its return flight and if you are not alone and have other people traveling with you. So that's white on rice. For example, if a jet has capacity of 6 passengers and you travel from Oxford, Connecticut to Philadelphia, it'll cost you around $150 on an economy airline for each person, but if you catch a private jet's return flight then you have to pay around $500, but with 6 people you'll have to pay only around $90. Now that's mind-blowing. That's 100% real. It will be almost half the price you pay in economy and easily skip those long boarding and check-in lines. And a bonus point, you will have the full plane to walk and admire the view. So next time when you head out to the airport, just check around, maybe a private jet is waiting. Now, moving on to number 2. If you go to the airport whether you are booking for the vacation or a business trip, this hack will be extremely helpful to you. You go to the airport and see a very long queue all in at the check-in, and if you are an economy class traveler, so you have to wait very long for check-in and security clearance. But not if you know this hack. What you have to do is, instead of getting in the long line, go to the business or first class counter where there would be very less or no passengers, and ask the airline representative for an upgrade, and while he's searching for it on the computer, you tell them what you like the best about this airline and if you've had a very good experience about its service earlier. She or he will surely like it. And when they tell you the price of upgrade, then if it's in your budget, so accept, and if not, say to him sincerely that, "Sir, that's really out of my budget, can you please find me a good economy seat if available?" Believe me, you are gonna get help if you do it correctly. And book an economy class seat on first class counter. Now, moving on to the 3rd flight hack. The previous 2 hacks were awesome but they weren't free. But this hack can make you travel for free. Don't believe me, huh? But it's true. What you have to do is, sign up for an airline co-branded credit card. And this card will get the job done. You only have to use it in your everyday use. Even if you spend minimum of its requirements, you will at least get 1 free flight at the end because you will have enough miles easily. And the more you use, the more miles you will get, and not only that, you will also get many other discounts on different products that has partnership with the airline. And using the card to buy your grocery and paying your bills can give you free flights. That doesn't make sense, right? But you will get to know when you use them. If you take my advice. The Chase Ultimate Reward Program is really awesome, with the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card and other Ultimate cards. You get 1-to-1 ratio to the frequent flyer programs of major airlines like Korean Air, British Airways, KLM and Air France and many others. All you have to do is just do a bit research on it, which co-branded card suits you best. Thanks a lot for watching. If you have any questions, so ask in the comments section. And please subscribe.